An Indian actor and superstar Puneet Rajkumar passed away due to the fatal cardiac arrest on Friday 29 October. He passed away at the age of 46. Now we look their detail.
Rajkumar, or Appu as he was known to his millions of fans. This is the final resting place of Puneet Rajkumar at the Kantirva studio here. It still seems a little unreal to think that this young, fit-looking 46-year-old actor has actually passed away. And as was the case from the time he actually fell ill and was admitted to hospital on Friday morning, there were crowds everywhere. There were crowds outside the hospital on Friday. They came into Kantirva Stadium, where the body was kept for 1.5 days to actually pay their respects. And they were here also. But the funeral was in fact conducted unexpectedly early today. The body left Kantirva studio soon after 4:30 and was actually reached at the studio, the final resting place, much earlier than expected, and the last rites were all completed before 8 a.m. Now this place, Kantirva studio, to give you a sense, right next to Parvata Rajkumar, his mother is buried, and further on, his father, the absolute idol of Kannada cinema, Dr. Rajkumar, is also buried. His parents are right next to where Puneet Rajkumar has been laid to rest. It has been a very, very emotional time. Even as the body came in the pre-dawn hours towards Kantirva studio, there were people. The fans have still not been allowed in, but people have come in to express their condolences, to express their grief at this very, very unbelievable event. He donated his eyes. Puneet also donated his eyes, and this really is one of the many ways in which he will live on for his fans. The funeral was slightly delayed because his daughter returned from the United States. She reached yesterday evening, which is why it was also, the funeral was held this morning, also to give more time for fans to pay their respects to him at Kantirva studio. Right now, of course, there's a police presence here. Security was given the highest priority to make sure there were no untoward incidents, but it was absolutely peaceful, despite the lakhs of people who came out over the last 2.5